you're watching a JamBox876. It's like nobody no real again. And not talk how them feel again. JamBox I prefer good with God damn man. We not tell us say you're right if you're wrong. Hey, yo, Jamil represent for JamBox876. Stay tuned.
One more in their head. Hey, turn their head.
JamBox876 Sunshine, you know, representing.
Where's Saint about you there?
One JamBox.
Big up JamBox876 every time.
Wagwan people, I don't know. Girl Sunshine representing for JamBox876. I don't know, so they are Camp Airy, you know. We are going Airy, Bill, going with the vibes and all of these things.
Not sure.
One JamBox.
What are the activities that you have like for today?
Alright, so we have two main activities. We have Lazer and ATV. The ATV ride is, you know, we have the dune buggy. We also have the bike ride, which you will go on a tour for 45 minutes. We also have Lazer tag. Lazer tag is like an outdoor. It's actually the first outdoor team shootout game. So basically you'll have two teams, red and blue. And it's basically a battleground. So, you know, it's based on who wins. So it's like a shootout. Yeah, that's the round.
Alright, so each weapon has a specific number. So always remember your number, alright?
14.
So each piece work with one specific weapon. So at the end of the game I return it tape through the handle like this. To not get them mixed up. So during the game you're aiming for the gun or you're aiming for the head. Alright, ready now? Alright, so the teams, you can choose it yourself or you can randomize. Somebody just said them on.
Hear that? But ready to see it there already. You see that?
One grand spend straight. One spend from Fort Worth to Grand Spend straight.
So the boss will suit out and go on with himself so far, yeah? Introduce yourself to the people.
My brother team, you know?
How is the drive coming down? You're part of the blue shift too?
Red team. Red.
No,
You ready for the laser tag?
Active one.
Who you think I'll win?
Red team one.
make sure that
How good at you are at tagging? And I'm here with Thunder. Alright, and a lightning a thunder. Alright. How was the drive coming here?
It was, did expect a further distance, but reaching time, it was alright.
So you ready for the laser tag?
Everything right now.
Which team I think are going?
Anything with the power right now,
And I'm here with Wyatt Tall Bad.
that's your sheet.
You don't do what?
Your sheet.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, how was the drive coming down?
Journey did good, driver going good, So I think we give thanks to that.
What is it like working with the Wesinka family?
Well, Wesinka family nice, Usually when park, but truck driver now. You know, we can put out to the fat man them, so I will still show love, you know?
Yeah. We think you go with the tag.
Any team with the pan, I win, man.
Alright.
On the mark. Set. Go, go, go. Get live. Yo, get live. Book shooting. Yeah.
I'm wounded.
Mark 11.
I'm wounded.
Then again, Father. I'm going to see again. Father.
I'm wounded. The player is lost.
Wow.
We may have to be female and one like that. One come over there.
Hey, I got 2 kills. Remember, I'm a female. I got 2 kills. I feel good. Wicked bigs. Everywhere I'm going to shoot me. One more? Yeah. We are bringing home the one. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Please, hey, Biggs. Please avoid me here.
62 to 68. Winner of the round, red team. Number 9 till the most. Reading goal score, Mbappe.
Introduce yourself to the people in my...
Yeah, this is Mbappe, score from offline. I miss not. Yeah, it came out wonderful. Yeah, a lot of kills and a lot of scrub scores, as I see on the bench. Yeah, that's all we have to say about it.
Especially with the big kill.
Yeah, that's right. One JamBox876 will box them that all.
And I'm hearing. People know say you finished the laser tag and now you're going on the dirt ride. Alright.
JamBox876 outside.
Okay, and I'm here with. What was the ATV ride?
I got a crush of over here, but I was very successful. I like it. The team going good so far. The team going good so far. Go Team Blue.
What was it like going through the water?
Well, it was rough. I swear. As I said, a nice experience.
That is it.
And you know, say I want JamBox876, you know.
Let's talk much. And when one time still youngster and all of these things. You know, really them like the youngster man. Somebody let him introduce himself to the ladies.
I see now, you know. Big up JamBox876. Yeah.